Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start a grammar topic adjectives. As you already learned this topic in the previous class, adjective means the describing words. The words which describe noun or a pronoun. So in this class we will be studying the same topic with more details. So let's start. An adjective is part of speech that describe a noun or a pronoun. In other words, it modifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, a lazy girl. Girl, you know, girl is a common noun. And which word is describing the girl? Lazy. So lazy is the adjective. An intelligent man. Intelligent is describing man. So intelligent is a adjective. A good performance. Performance is again a noun, abstract noun, which is described by the word good. Okay. Now come to the kinds of adjective. First is adjective of quality. As the name suggests itself, it describes a quality of a person or thing. She told a funny story. Indira Gandhi was a popular leader. Funny and the word popular are the describing words to the story and leader respectively. Next is adjective of quantity. It specifies the quantity of a thing. Quantity means how much. For example, we need some water. How much water? Some water. This is a quantity. They bought half kg of beans. How much beans they want? Half kg. Some and half kg are the describing words. So they are adjectives of quantity. I hope it is clear. Now let's move forward. Next type is adjective of number. An adjective of the number tells how many persons or things are meant. How many? Okay, this is a highlighted. This is the word to be highlighted. How many persons or things? He can speak several languages. Several is a adjective. I have 2 cards. 2 is a adjective of number. Next is demonstrative adjective. It is used to point out some persons or thing. The words like these, those, this, that are the demonstrative adjective. For example, these walls need to be painted. That seat is reserved. This pencil is mine. So these words, these, that, these words are demonstrative adjectives. Next is interrogative adjective. As the name suggests, interrogative means questions. Question words. It is used to ask questions. Which umbrella is yours? What thing do you have? Which is interrogative adjective which is followed by the noun. In the second sentence also, what is an adjective, interrogative adjective which is followed by thing, again noun. Next is possessive adjective. It shows possession or belonging. For example, your dresses are elegant. The dresses belong to you. So that's why your is a possessive noun. This is my bungalow. Bungalow belongs to me. So my is a possessive adjective. Bungalow is a noun. Remember children, adjective is most of the cases immediately followed by noun or pronoun. Next is distributive adjective. An adjective which refers to each of a number is called a distributive adjective. Every child must be sent for a free medical checkup. Every child, the word every. Each item of the meal was tasted by me. Again, each. The word each is distributive adjective. Next is proper adjective. The one derived from a proper noun is called proper adjectives. For example, Chinese goods are not very durable. Chinese has been derived from the word China, okay, which is a proper noun. Chinese again, it has been China से Chinese बना, तो Chinese is an adjective. Chinese goods are not very durable. Indians are very hospitable to their guests, or to the visitors. Okay, so let us repeat. Adjective of quality, which tells us the quality of the person or a thing. Adjective of quantity, which tells us about the quantity, how much of the person or the thing. Adjective of number, how many. Demonstrative, which specify the person or a thing with the words like this, that, these, those. Interrogative adjective, question words. Possessive adjectives like yours, mine, my, ours. Distributive adjectives, which refers to each of the number. Next, proper adjectives, the one derived from the proper noun.